since you've both worked the field, is there anything going into that, or, since you've completed your first deployment, in hindsight, that you wish you would have known before your first deployment?
Something, I'll go first. Okay, so I bought a lot of stuff. I was on YouTube watching a bunch of videos, all in the Facebook chats for new adjusters and everything, trying to figure out, like, what do I need? Because I don't want to go out there and not be prepared, right? I bought a lot of stuff, and I bought a lot of food, just spent way too much money too soon, basically. So I probably spent upwards of $500 or $600 just in prep stuff, and then
eagerness.
Eagerness, and then I didn't get my first deployment until like months later.
Oh, so you're saying you did that before you got a deployment?
Before I even got a deployment, because something, I knew that this is what I wanted to do, and so I was like, all right, I'm all in. Yeah, right. I'm leaving my job. I'm all in. This is what I want to do. And so, I kind of made some mistakes. So don't do what I did, new people. So
right, kind of wait to get the deployment or closer to it.
Wait till storm season.
Storm season.
Don't go buy a bunch of equipment in May, and storm season is in August, and then storm season may be deferred until like September, and you may.
All right.
So wait till storm season.
Gotcha.
Yeah.